Welcome to review for the productions possibility curve. I just wanted to remind you that you have bell ringers to study from, you have Bubba Brain, and you have your notes, and you can go on classzone.com, and that's where we can do those closed exercises, and you have your notes to study from, plus you have your checks for understanding and Schoology. But I just wanted to remind you that these are here, and they have the answers starred so that you can check them. All right, so hopefully you have this document out in front of you. And I just wanted to review how to do a productions possibility curve because you have to do it on your test tomorrow. All right, so you have to pick two products. It doesn't matter what two products they are. So I'm going to choose sneakers and sandals. Okay, again, doesn't matter what it is. And remember, you have to do your zeros. So I'm going to go by tens so that it's easier to put on the chart. Okay, so sneakers would go over here. And sandals would go down here. And then I have to number. This is going to be 0, obviously. And then I go by tens. And then I go up by tens, but I'm going to skip so that I'm really going up by 5s. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So it spreads out a little bit. All right, so my first point are 0 sneakers and 40 sandals, so that's going to go right there. My next point is going to be 10 and 30, so that's going to go right there. My next point is 20 and 20, that's right there. And then 30 and 10, and then finally 40 sneakers and 0 sandals. All right, I want you to then connect the dots. And let's do our points over here. So at point A, we're producing all sandals. At point B, we're producing both products, or goods, you could say. Or you could put both sneakers and sandals. And then at point C, we're producing, oops, that should be all sneakers. All right, now here comes the tough part of what we have to do. We have to do our law of increasing opportunity cost. So let's make our chart. Let's put sandals here. Actually, let's put sandals on the bottom. Let's put sandals here. Let's put sneakers here. Remember, if there's anything you don't understand, you can always pause and rewind it or talk to a neighbor. Okay, so sneakers, we have 0, 10, 20, 30. That's as far as we don't need to go all the way. And then we're going to put 0, and then 10, 20, and 30. Okay, so the video is going to pause in a second, and it's going to give you a question, and you're going to have to answer that question. And the question is going to be, if I move from producing 10 sneakers to 30 sneakers, what is my opportunity cost? Okay, so welcome back. Hopefully you answered the question correctly. If I move from 10 sneakers to 30 sneakers, my opportunity cost is going to be 20 sandals. And the way that I got that is I went from 10 to 30 sneakers. I increased my production, so something's got to give. So then I went, remember you have to do the same columns. I went from 20 to 0, so that's going to give up 20 sandals. This is available for you at home if you'd like to go in the same process that you did during class and practice these, because this exact same thing is on your test tomorrow.